Several people are missing after two passenger boats collided with each other in the Brahmaputra River in Assam's Jorhat today. According to the reports, at least 100 passengers were on board when it crashed into each other in NYOOOZ Ghat, around 350 kilometers from Guwahati. The State Disaster Response Force officials reached the spot and started rescue operations. Many people, including a baby, have been rushed to hospitals after being rescued. Soon after the incident, Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa directed the district administration of Majuli and Jorhat districts to carry out the rescue mission expeditiously. "I am pained at the tragic boat accident near NYOOOZ Ghat, Jorhat," he tweeted. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister said he will visit NYOOOZ Ghat tomorrow to evaluate the situation. News Desk.